Hey guys, running Kimono here. Look at all this clearance. 14 cents for this, 14 cents for that, 40 cents for these bags of magic. I mean, shut up. We're gonna go through this right away. My 90% clearance finds. Hopefully you guys can get the same stuff. I think they just put these stickers out today, so like, oh my gosh. Weather report for you guys, kind of a gloomy one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, Walgreens in store. Let's talk about some clearance. So the first item is this Trident Gum, and it's strawberry. Who doesn't like a little bit of strawberry gum in their life? And this was 14 cents. Now, for whatever reason, the gum was ringing up buy one, get one 50% off. So for 8 packs, guys, I only paid 56 cents. It's on clearance for 14 and it's buy one, get one 50% off. And clearance is, or whenever stuff hits 90% off, just to note something, guys, it's always a your mileage may vary. What might be happening in this market might happen 2 weeks from now or the same date. So it's always kind of like a toss up, but go in there sooner than later because 14 cents is totally what it's about. And this does not expire till I think December. So like, how great is that? So I got 8 of these. $20 of these Twix with the white chocolate. Throw this in your freezer. You have treats for the entire summer. And it's this little 2-pack and they were 14 cents and they were not buy one, get one 50% off. And just to show you, there it is. The UPC. And these do not expire, I think, until November, or I can't even see the best by date. Oh, January of 2022. So they're good for a while, so definitely like look for these. And it's like the white cookie bar Twix, and Twix are so good. Great clearance find that I found is this bridge mix, which is a whole bunch of nuts surrounded in chocolate. This is totally up my husband's alley. He loves this stuff. Whenever I go to Aldi, I'm always buying him like chocolate covered almonds. So this is going to save my bank for a really long time. And just to let you guys know, to pay the least out of pocket, what I did was I used a bunch of Walgreens cash to pay this down. So I got 5 or 6 of these bridge mixes, which is really fantastic. And then 1 of this peanut clusters and milk chocolate, and it also looks just as good. Hopefully these UPCs are showing up. It's kind of on this bag, which is kind of like, you know, it's malleable. 40 cents per, oh my gosh, guys. 6 bridge mixes and 1 of the clusters, and then this and this. And of course I asked the staff, like, do you guys want any of this before I buy it all? And they're like, no. And I left some watermelon gum because I just thought that sounded not so great, but I was really delighted with what I found. OMG, candy wise, walk down that aisle. And if things are not tagged, maybe get the cashier to scan it. You might be surprised. Now, I've been talking about this for a little bit, the different clearance stuff that other people have been finding, but not so much here. The first one are these Airborns, and it's like a liquid pack to stay awake forever, and they are 35 cents each. So the original price point I think was $3.49 for 1. So I got 10 of them. I thought that may be something great to have in my stockpile. This is a P&G product. It's called Stress Balls, and it was $1.89. I thought there was an IBOTTA rebate for this, but there unfortunately isn't. But still, $1.89, not the worst thing. And then this children's medication. This does not expire till like 2022 sometime. It was 89 cents each, so 90% off. Okay guys, so I did one $40 basket and I had to change it up again because I did not have the right Crest $2 coupon to go with this. So I had another Crest coupon, so I just kind of augmented it. So the Head and Shoulders with the 1 toothbrush, I just changed it around. So I got 3 of these for They're $4 each, so that's $12. I had a 5 off of 3 that attached perfectly to this, and it's the Oral-B soft toothbrushes. I grabbed one Tide, because my basket again was augmented. For $4.99, I had a $2 digital coupon. I grabbed 3 of these Pantenes, 3 for $15, and I had a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. Came off beautifully. This gave me back a $5 register reward, as did this one. And then this final thing, $3.99 each. For 2 of them, that's $7.98. Get back a $5 register reward. OMG. So for all of this stuff, guys, it was like $39.97. So I had to throw in one of these caramels at checkout, and this guy is 39 cents. So for all of this stuff, the 3 toothbrushes, the Tide, oh good, it's out of focus. Come on, camera. Okay, so for all of this stuff, the 3 toothbrushes, the Tide, the Pantene, the Colgate, and the one little candy, that was $40.36. Now I got the cashier to scan the booster, was spend 40, get back 10. Perfect. Now digitally, the coupons I had was a, oh, it's alive. A 5 off of 3 for this, a $2 for this, a 3 off of 3 for that, and a 3 off of 2 for that. So after all of the coupons came off, I paid cash out of pocket $27.36. I got back 3 register rewards. So this one's a manufacturer and these 2 are store coupons. So Pantene and Oral-B, and then this one was for the Colgate. So $15 back right there. Plus I got back an extra 10 for buying $40. And then I also had a progressive one, which was to do 8 trips and spend at least $20 and get back 5. So I accomplished that as well. So after everything is said and done, guys, $2.64 moneymaker. And doing the same thing, like, you know, buy 3, get 5. I did it in this transaction and 2 printed out for me. So how do you like them apples? So I think for a store coupon promotion, the store coupon will print out twice for you. It's not like a register reward one. It's a little different. So like this is pretty awesome. So I'm delighted with that. And yeah, a little bit out of pocket, but if all this stuff is free, I am like fine with it. And I wish there was some IBOTTA stuff to go with this too, but oh well, it is what it is. Last little deal that I did, because I had some store coupons to use and points and all that stuff, and I paid for some of this with it. I wanted to do that Pop-Tart deal. So 3 of these at $1.88. That's $5.64. We have a 50-cent off of 1 digital coupon. $5.14. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay 14 cents, and laugh all the way to the bank. These do not expire till December. So my husband will be so delighted with this, and the brown sugar or blueberry ones are his favorite. So I got 2 of those and a cherry one. Final deal I did, of course I had to do it. Look at these rolls. Oh my gosh. So this promotion for the toilet paper is buy 3, get this, a $3 register reward. Come on, focus. So these are $4.99 a pop, guys. So that is a total of $14.97. 50-cent digital for both Angel Soft, 50-cent digital for Quilted Northern. That's $1 off, and that is a little awesome. So $13.97. I could use $10 in Walgreens cash if I had it, or 2 store coupons or whatever, a mix. And that's exactly what I did. And I used a $5 store coupon, so it was $8.97 that I threw in $5 of Walgreens cash. And then I had to pay the balance, and then I got back this. Story on how apparently they're gonna be increasing toilet paper to 10 to 15% in the next I can't even laugh, in the next year. That's what they're predicting. So to just get a couple extra for your pantry, use some register rewards or points or whatever from deal 1 to deal 2 for this and this. I mean, this is stuff that you need for your household forever in case something hits the fan again. But at the very least, look for this candy, look for the vitamins, and that's a pretty solid deal, even with the store coupon. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.